Mud masks are great for improving skin health as they are rich in vitamins and minerals. They help to unclog and detox pores while absorbing oils and toxins from your skin for cleaning and making your skin condition much better. These masks exfoliate your skin and improve texture, and you can use them easily at home while you're choosing a mud mask for yourself. It's important to ensure that you get the right one for you with the right ingredients. Keeping that in mind, in today's video, we have rounded up the 5 best mud masks for you. So let's check them out.
The Trendy Beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
Glowing and youthful skin is wanted by many women, but to ensure that outcome, it's important to choose the correct product. The GlamGlow Tingling and Exfoliating Mud Mask promises to give you that glow within minutes. It has the goodness of volcanic rock, natural clay blend, and deoxy green tea leaf. This mask lifts away dead skin cell buildup and improves skin texture while activating collagen synthesis. The natural clay blend absorbs impurities and excess oil, and the mask softens the look of fine lines as well. This mask refines your skin and lifts impurities while giving you an even skin tone. It provides your skin with a lasting youthful glow, making it soft, smooth, and brighter in appearance. The GlamGlow Tingling and Exfoliating Mud Mask has earned quite a number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, users love this product as it improves skin texture and provides a natural, healthy glow. But some of the users were not impressed with this product. How to use. Apply a thin layer to a clean face. This formula will tingle, tighten, and lighten in 10 minutes or less. Rinse off with water in circular motions to exfoliate. Use once or twice a week or as often as desired. Let's check out the ratings for this mud mask. The Aria Starr Dead Sea Mud Mask is made of a professional spa formula to provide your skin with numerous benefits right at home. It contains the highest quality Dead Sea mud and the goodness of shea butter, jojoba oil, and aloe vera. The mask deeply cleans your skin and detoxifies and exfoliates for a soft skin with a refined texture. It also increases blood flow for healthier and tighter skin. This mask helps to get rid of blackheads and acne. It provides great moisture to your dry or sensitive skin, and it cleans your pores while providing you with an even skin tone. It absorbs excess oil and removes dirt, giving you a fresh skin anytime you want. This mud mask has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this product takes care of blackheads and pimples while exfoliating perfectly. But some of the users were disappointed with their purchase. How to use. After thoroughly cleaning your face, apply a thin layer of the mud mask, avoiding the lip and eye areas. Keep the mud mask on for 15 to 20 minutes and let dry. To remove the mask, use warm water and circular motions. For best results, use 1 to 2 times a week. Time to check out the ratings. Our next pick for today is the Dead Sea Mud Mask from Pure Body Naturals, which will exfoliate and remove excess oil for giving you a lean and refined skin. This mud mask is enriched with minerals, which help you detoxify your skin. The mask removes dead skin cells and helps to stimulate blood circulation for making your skin condition even better. This mud mask fights acne and blackheads while fading acne scars. It unclogs pores and draws out impurities, and the mask helps to even skin tone, ensuring overall improvement of your skin health. The product is gentle enough for daily use as well. The Pure Body Naturals Dead Sea Mud Mask has earned thousands of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this product as it makes your skin soft and it takes care of dark marks. And it clears blackheads as well. But some of them were dissatisfied with the change in ingredients on this product. How to use? Apply a thin layer to your face, avoiding the eyes and your lips. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes until partly or completely dry. Soak a washcloth in warm water and lay over your face to soften the mask. Once the mask is softened, rinse your face gently with warm water. Let's rate this mud mask. If you're suffering from acne problems and searching for a good face mask which will help to improve your skin condition, the New York Biology Dead Sea Mud Mask is a great option for you. It's a 100% natural Dead Sea mask which contains Dead Sea minerals to gently purify and clean clogged pores. It also has the goodness of aloe vera, chamomile extract, vitamin A, sunflower seed, and jojoba oil, and is suitable for all skin types. The mask absorbs excess oil and reduces pores for a better looking and healthier skin. It provides a soothing sensation and exfoliates your skin for providing you with a radiant glow. It's a cruelty-free product which is sulfate and paraben-free as well. The New York Biology Dead Sea Mud Mask has earned a huge number of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, this mask makes your skin soft and smooth, and it helps with acne and pores. But some users really didn't like the product. How to use? Apply a thin layer of your mud mask to clean skin, avoiding your eye and lip area, and leave the mask on for 10 minutes or until dry. Use warm water in a circular motion to gently remove the mask and pat dry with a clean cloth, and you can use it twice a week. Time to rate this mud mask. The Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay is our top pick for today's video, which is an immensely popular product for its positive impacts and benefits on your skin. This product has the goodness of 100% natural calcium bentonite clay, which comes from the Death Valley of California. The clay is sun-dried for up to 6 months in high temperatures. It provides deep pore cleansing, and you can use it on your face, hair, and your body as well. It's a great option for facials, body wraps, and clay baths. You can use the mask on insect bites, and it can be used as a hair mask or a foot soak as well. The product is free from fragrance and additives for your own convenience. The Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay has earned a massive number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. The reviews say it all. This product is a great detoxifier according to its users, and it improves active breakouts while exfoliating and tightening skin. But some of the users said that they didn't really notice any difference. How to use? Mix Aztec Secret Indian Healing Clay with equal parts of apple cider vinegar or water. Stir the mixture until it's a smooth paste, add more clay or liquid as needed. Apply 1/8 to 1/4 inch thick layer of clay to your face or other areas and let it dry. It generally takes 5 to 20 minutes for the mask to dry completely. Remove the clay by washing with warm water. Let's check out the ratings. So, those were our top 5 best mud masks. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.